Hello, I'm going to do a vlog with a bit of a difference today, showing you what we're going to get up to on my travels. This is where we stayed last night. Nice peaceful spot, all to ourselves. And now we're going to go off up onto the moors and see a couple of stone circles. I don't know if you can hear me because of the wind noise. Look at this. Over there in the distance you got Brown Willie, the highest point in Cornwall. Bobbing more in the stone circles over there. Let's go and have a look. Oh, it's a bitter cold wind up here. That's the centre stone. Very rustic place. There's another stone circle somewhere around here as well. I don't know if we're going to go and find it though, it's just too cold. Oh. I thought spring was here. Right, that was extremely cold and windy there. But we're going to go and find another stone circle now. It's not far from here, about 15 minutes, hopefully. Sat-nav seems to take us all different ways around these Cornish lanes. It doesn't seem to know where it's going. But yeah, we'll go and find that.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Right, let's go and have a look at this stone circle while it stopped raining. Look at this though. Some of the hills around here look like they've been created by quarrying. Oh, it's going to start raining, I know it. This one's a lot bigger than the other one. As far as I can make out, this one's 5,000 years old. Oh no, not as long. 7,000 years old. Goes back to 5,000 BC. I might try parking up here for a night, one night. In the middle of nowhere. Amazing spot. Again, there's supposed to be another one nearby, but it's a bit of a walk across the moors. And the weather's just not right for it today. These stones over here are larger than the other ones. Well, that actually looks quite deep. It's so windy though. Brown Willie over there. Right, going to head back to the van. I think we're going to head off towards the coast somewhere. We'll find a nice spot down by the beach. Stay there tonight. Yeah. Awesome.